Hey there. Today I'm going to walk you through how to audit a website using AI. This includes checking the design, SEO structure, and even copy, all without hiring an agency or needing to code. Let's get into it. A website audit used to require developers, marketers, and a lot of money. But now, AI tools can scan your site, identify issues, and even suggest fixes instantly. Whether you built your site yourself or used a template, you'll want to know: is it user-friendly? Are your headlines clear? Are you ranking well on Google? Let's break it down by area. Starting with content. Start with your homepage or landing page. Copy all the text into a document. Then open ChatGPT and use this prompt. Act as a conversion copywriter. Here is my website text. Please review it for clarity, persuasion, and effectiveness. Suggest rewrites where necessary. Paste your copy. ChatGPT will tell you if your text is too vague, overly long, or lacks a strong call to action. You can also add, "Is this clear to a first-time visitor who doesn't know my brand?" It'll flag confusing language and even rewrite it for better engagement. For SEO, use tools like NeuronWriter, Surfer SEO, or even 10web.io. Paste in your page URL and your target keyword, like affordable meal prep service or freelance UX designer in Atlanta. The tool will show keyword density, missing related phrases, readability, heading structure, H1, H2s, etc. NeuronWriter will also compare your page against top-ranking competitors. That's key. It shows what content structure and length you're up against. Based on this, you can adjust your content manually or ask ChatGPT to optimize it further by saying, "Based on this SEO checklist, help me revise the copy for better keyword coverage without keyword stuffing." Use PageSpeed Insights by Google to check how fast your website loads on mobile and desktop. You'll get a performance score and specific issues like images too large, fonts that delay loading, unused scripts. For design, use ChatGPT's vision tools if available in your plan, or paste screenshots and ask, "What are 3 design suggestions to improve user experience on this homepage?" You'll get layout tips like adding white space, increasing button contrast, or improving readability. And there you have it, a full website audit using AI tools. You don't need to pay hundreds for something you can do in a few hours. If you found this useful, subscribe for more AI tutorials. And let me know in the comments if you want me to audit a site live in the next video.